If you're encountering the DISR error while trying to install a game on Steam, stick around. I'm going to show you some quick fixes. Let's start by opening the Steam client. Then click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Next, head over to the Downloads tab and click on Clear Download Cache. After confirming, Steam will restart, and you might need to log in again. Check if this resolves the issue. If it doesn't, we'll move on to checking the firewall settings. Go to the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and select Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender on the left side, then click Change Settings. Scroll through the list and find Steam. If it's listed, make sure both private and public are checked. If Steam isn't there, click on Allow another app. Then browse to your C drive, find Program Files x86, and locate the Steam folder. Inside, double-click on steam.exe, hit Add, and ensure both private and public boxes are checked before clicking OK. Now, let's move to the Steam app on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and ensure that Run this program as administrator is checked. Along with Disable Full Screen Optimizations, click Apply and then OK to save. Try launching Steam again and check if it works. If not, let's move on to repairing your library. Open Steam, click Steam at the top, and go to Settings. Under the Storage section, click on the three dots and select Repair Library. Wait a few minutes for it to finish, as it will fix any problems within Steam. If none of these solutions work, the final step is to check the folder permissions. Search for File Explorer in the Start menu, then navigate to the Steam folder in your C drive under Program Files by 86. Right-click on the Steam folder, select Properties, and under the General tab, uncheck the Read-Only box, click Apply and OK. Next, go to the Security tab, where you need to ensure you have full control over the folder. If you see any deny permissions, go to the Advanced tab, select the user you're logged in as, and click Edit to adjust the permissions. Once done, press Apply and OK. After saving the changes, try opening Steam again, and this should fix the DISR error preventing game installations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.